One photo that's seared into our memories showed two family members in Ohio overdosed in their car with a 4-year-old in the back seat. Don Dahler has more on this epidemic of opioid abuse.
Hey girl, what's up?
20-year-old Nick Ryan's heroin high was captured on his mother's cell phone. She videotaped Nick and his father, Tim Ryan, during a drug binge, hoping when she showed it to them later, it would shock them into getting help. His father is now in recovery, but Nick died from an overdose 2 years ago. Tim can never forgive himself.
And all that lady wanted was a good husband, some kids, and I took all that away. And then I set the path for my son.
The Chicago area saw more than 600 opioid-related deaths last year, with EMS crews responding to nearly 3,000 overdose calls. At Stroger Hospital, they see an average of 14 cases a day. ER doctor Stephen Axe.
For me, when I learned that overdose deaths exceeded car accident deaths, I mean, to me that was shocking.
This epidemic knows no state boundaries, no age limits. It is colorblind and attracts men and women with equality. This is a 2-year-old in Lawrence, Massachusetts, trying to revive her overdosed mother in the aisle of a store. Anti-overdose drugs like Narcan have become a lifeline.
Sounds like he's coming around a little bit.
In 2011, 4,600 prescriptions were given out. So far this year, more than 87,000. And with heroin being laced with powerful painkillers, it often takes multiple doses to save lives.
I think that the average viewer may not understand that it's completely out of the control of the individual once they're in it, and that they really need significant help.
In Chicago, emergency rooms like this one see 3 times the national average of overdose victims. But John, some communities are beginning to focus on treatment. Just last year, Illinois passed a law that requires Medicaid and private insurers to cover substance abuse like they cover other medical conditions.
Don Dahler, thank you, Don.